Happy New Year 2022. Today we're going to cook up some cactus cornbread to go along with our black-eyed peas and turnip greens. So stay tuned. Happy New Year 2022. And today I've got my turnip greens for good luck and my black-eyed peas all ready to roll. And now I'm putting together some cornbread to cook in the air fryer. So here's what we got going. Now I normally use just a box of Jiffy cornbread, but of course I'm out. So I dug up a recipe, and it calls for flour and cornmeal, a little bit of sugar, baking powder. Now they call for buttermilk, but I'm using almond milk because that's all I got, and some melted butter, baking powder, and egg. But here's what we're going to do different. We're adding some cactus. See? There it is, 1/4 a cup of cactus. And I need to get some more cactus because my jar is now officially empty. And I also have some little pepper rings. I got the red and the green, so I figure between red and green pepper rings and my green cactus, we're going to have a little feast. Now, I've already gone and I have this cute little black skillet thing, so I've put some bacon grease in there, so I've been heating it up, so it's ready to roll. So I'm going to stir it all together. I've already put the dry ingredients together, so now I'm going to mix up the wet, and I'll bring you back and show you around too. It's all stirred up and ready to cook, but I almost had a dilemma because that little skillet, I had more goo than the skillet would hold, so I filled up the skillet and said, oh my goodness. So I had to pull the skillet out of the air fryer, throw the goo in this pan, and throw the rest of it. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, another dilemma in the kitchen. So I imagine you have them too sometimes, but I'm continuing on. So now we're getting ready to cook. Well, what a feast I have. This is New Year's Day 2022. And there's my little cornbread, and it was a success. I've already kind of pinched and tasted. In fact, I had to cut this in half and butter it. So let me do a taste test. That is really good. Cactus cornbread, black-eyed peas, and turnip greens. Now, I've got a fabulous 2022 ahead of me.